We study certain identities of trigonometry today. Let us start with right angle triangle and right angle triangle ABC. This angle C is acute angle and let it be X. Naturally, this angle A will be 90 minus X. Okay. For this particular angle C named X, the opposite side is AB. And for this 90 minus X degrees, opposite side is BC. Okay. Now let us compute sin X. Angle C is equal to X and sin X will be equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. This is equal to AB by AC. And similarly cos X equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse is equal to BC by AC. Now, what is sin 90 minus X? Angle A is equal to 90 minus X and sin 90 minus X will be, what is the opposite side of 90 minus X? BC is the opposite side. Therefore, sin 90 minus X is equal to BC by AC. Similarly, cos 90 minus X is equal to, for this particular angle 90 minus X, adjacent side is AB. Therefore, cos 90 minus X is equal to AB by AC. Now we see a wonderful thing that, see here, this BC by AC is sin 90 minus X here and that is cos X here. See, sin 90 minus X is equal to cos X. And similarly for cos 90 minus X, AB by AC is nothing but sin X. See, cos 90 minus X equal to sin X, right? Similarly, we can find out tan 90 minus X and that will be equal to cot X. And we derive some more identities in trigonometry based on Pythagoras here. See, we take a triangle ABC, right angle at B, and let angle C is equal to X. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that AB square, the perpendicular side square plus base BC square is equal to AC square. Let it be equation number 1. Now, we divide this particular equation number 1 by AC square. What we get? We get a term by term we divide. Both sides we divide. We divide by AC square. Each term once AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square equal to AC square by AC square. What is this? AB by AC is nothing but, what is this? AB by AC is nothing but sin X and its square is sin X whole square plus BC by AC is nothing but cos X. Its square is cos X whole square equal to 1. AC square by AC square is equal to 1. Now, how do we write this formula? We write sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. See, in trigonometry, sin x the whole square is written sin square x in this format only. We don't write sin x square. We write sin square x and cos x the whole square is written as cos square x. And we get an important identity of trigonometry, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. How do we use it? Once you are given the value of cos x, we can compute sin x. And once we are given the value of sin x, we can compute cos x by this way. Suppose you are given cos x value, we can find out sin x by using this formula, root of 1 minus cos square x. You can have plus and minus here, but for the time being, we limit only to plus value. Sin x is equal to square root of positive square root of 1 minus cos square x. There is a provision for negative value also. Cos x is equal to root of 1 minus sin square x. Now we divide equation number 1 divided by AB square. See, in this first case, we have divided this equation number 1 by AC square. Now we divide the equation number 1 by AC square on both sides. What we get? We get AB square by AB square is equal plus BC square by AB square is equal to AC square by AB square. Now, what is AB by AB? That is 1. Therefore, 1 plus cos BC by AB is cos x. Its square is, sorry, BC by AB is cot x. Its square is cot square x. And AC by AB is cosec x. Its square is cosec square x. How do we use it? See, the formula is cosec square x minus cot square is equal to 1. That is 4. By hearting this equation, we write in this format cosec square x minus cot square x equal to 1. How do we use the formula? Once you are given the value of cot x, we can compute cosec x, and also once you are given the value of cosec x, you can compute cot x like this way. See, cosec x is computed from cot x by using this formula. Cosec x is equal to root of 1 plus cot square x, and cot x is equal to root of square root of cosec square x minus 1. Now we go to divide this formula, equation number 1, we divide this equation number 1 by BC square. What we get? Equation number 1 by BC square. We get AB square by BC square. Both sides we divide, no? BC square by BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. What is this? AB by BC. This is tan square x plus 1 is equal to C square x. Finally, we get the result C square x minus tan square x equal to 1. It is important to remember. Okay, now from the tan value we can compute sec x this way, and from sec x value we compute tan x this way. We use such formulas in various problems while solving